What is that?
He's having fun. Okay.
I'm gonna tell you right now.
Rock and roll.
Who's gonna get the ball from Luke? Carl got it! And Luke got it again!
1, 2. 1, 2. Now you have to get on it twice, right? Twice.
Oo, ganyan talaga yun.
Hi, JR. What do you think?
Okay, number 2. Number 2.
Thank you for telling me.
Hey, bless you.
You may take me elegant.
Still na yan. Still na. Still na yan. Sorry. Look. Alin? Look. Hindi ako ba joke lang oh. Joke lang oh. Ay, ikaw na ba?
Touch move to. Touch move.
Luki!
Ikaw na din. Okay.
Kailan ba ito ginano? Winter or ano?
Winter ngayon, no?
Oh, perfect! Thank you.
Okay, get that one, JR, just for you. Ano pa? Open mo na, para makita reaction niya. Gusto na makita reaction niya, no, Dominic? Okay.
Para makita reaction.
That's hard. It's okay. That's easy.
Yeah, we're like hello.
Excuse me.
It's girls versus boys.
Careful.
You can't say a word.
Pag ako magkukulit yung high note, ha? Okay, Mark! That's it! Go! Why not? Done! Game. Come on, boys. Make it a serious game. Mark. Backstreet Boys.
Okay, next.
Next. Tala mo dyan, tala.
What was that?
Sige.
Yes. Nag-iisipan niya.
What's the first one?
Stop it.
Next say ito? Oh, yeah. Shit, ang hirap mo na ito.